Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how to fix Crunchyroll website not working. So first of all, open a browser and type in crunchyroll.com. If you are already logged into your Crunchyroll account, you're gonna have to simply log out and log in again. If you do that, it might fix some problems at times. Next, what you could do is select this three bar icon, then scroll all the way below, select settings. Under settings, select privacy and security, select third-party cookies. Here, go for see all site data and permissions. You will see a filter button. Here, type in Crunchyroll. Then select the bin icon, select delete. Now once you do so, you're going to have to open a new tab again and type in Crunchyroll, get logged into your account again. Once you do that, it will definitely fix the problem. If it's still not working, then what you could do is you could switch a browser. For example, if you have been using Chrome, you could try maybe Microsoft Edge or Firefox. And likewise guys, it will fix the problem. Thank you for watching.